Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some of the updates that I made to my Brewery Business Plan template for 2024 using artificial intelligence. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we will dive into the Brewery Business Plan template updates, walk you all through that. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. First update that I made to my brewery business plan template is I added a logo or a place for a logo. I went to ChatGPT, requested some generic logos. They gave me a few ideas, and this is the one that I selected I like the best. So now the way the cover reads is at the top it says brewery, and right here you can go ahead and just type in your company name. And then underneath of it is going to be the placeholder for your logo. You can keep this logo or you can go ahead and replace it with your logo. And then finally, underneath it's going to say business plan. And you're going to want to keep that there just to set the reader's expectations as to what information is actually included in this document. The second area that I went ahead and updated for 2024 for the brewery business plan template is I added more meat to the bone for the product section. So now the way the product section reads is I've got a nice little introduction for the products, and then I go into signature brews, seasonal specialties, and local favorites. And again, you can go ahead and change the wording and the structure as you see fit. But typically, when I've been working with brewers for the last several years, they're going to have some signature brews. They're going to throw in some seasonal options and then some local favorites as well. So, the final section that I updated was the industry research. As we all know, including industry research in a business plan is critical, especially for the brewery industry. So I went to IBIS World, obtained the report, and then I extrapolated some important information, summarized it into my template. And so now you've got research for the brewery industry that is up to date for 2024. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, yeah, let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.